Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Big Bird Inn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Big Bird Inn provides rooms in Wawa near Sandy Beach and Scenic High Falls. The property is non-smoking throughout and is located a 19-minute walk from Dr. Rose's Beach. All guest rooms at the hotel are equipped with a flat-screen TV with satellite channels and a safety deposit box. With a private bathroom equipped with a shower and free toiletries, rooms at Big Bird Inn also provide guests with free Wi-Fi, while certain rooms here will provide you with a city view. At the accommodation, every room includes bed linen and towels. Staff speak Bosnian, English and Serbian at the reception. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.